Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing the Google Nest Protect and I will show you how to quickly set it up. Now without further ado, let's open this thing. And I got my knife here. Ooh. Peel off the plastic now. How satisfying is that, guys? And plastic is off. Off it goes. Now this is a tricky part. Oops, sorry. It won't come off. Oops. To think that I've just done a few of these already. Don't know why it's not coming off. Oh, my bad. That's why. Totally forgot. There's still a sticker here. Okay. Okay, now I'm sure there's nothing else in here that would stop it from opening it. Pretty sure I did already. Actually, you don't have to use a knife to open it. You can just peel off this plastic and then you can start peeling off the plastic from there. I just love using the knife because one time I tried to do that, to use that, and it was still hard to peel it off. There. Now there's a manual. That manual. So this is kind of sticker. I don't know where you should be sticking that thing on. Sorry, I kind of pushed the camera right there. And then the Google Nest Protect. What else is inside the box? Yeah, this is the mounting plate and some screws right there. So 4 screws. So I'm not gonna show you how to mount this, guys. Actually, it's really up to you if you want to be on the wall or on the ceiling. So whatever you prefer. So I'm not gonna go over this manual. Yeah, pretty simple manual. You don't need the glasses because the fonts are actually big enough. Yeah, pretty good. So I'm gonna show you how to set up this Google Nest Protect. So when you're gonna pull this tab, it's gonna power it on. Okay, let's start.
Hi from Nest.
Hola, saludos de Nest.
Press the button now for English. Ready. Press to test.
Okay.
This is only a test.
It's gonna be
The
loud,
alarm will
guys.
sound. The alarm is loud. The test starts in 10 seconds. Press to cancel. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is only a test. Testing smoke. Testing carbon monoxide.
Okay. Looks like it's all done testing.
The test is finished. Everything looks good.
So I would really recommend to let it test, run the diagnostic or testing, so you know the device is not defective. And I hope you did not wear headphones, guys, because that could be really annoying. Sorry about that. So to add that to your Nest app, so open the Nest app. So tap settings and then go all the way here, add product. So I would set this up first before actually putting it on the wall, because you need the QR code on the back of this device. Because if you already mounted it on the wall, then you have to take it down again just to get the QR code in order for you to add it in your account. So click next or tap next. For me, this is gonna be on my hallway. So right now it's trying to find the device. And it's not gonna find it. Let's see. And that's because the device right now is not in pairing mode. But we're gonna wait for the prompt for this app. Waiting, okay. So it says wake up Nest Protect. So it thinks that you haven't pulled out the battery yet, or the tab on the battery. So we actually did, we already done those. So what you can do is actually, you can tap this button again, or push this button again, and then tap next.
Ready. Press to test.
No, you don't want to test now, since you already done the testing earlier. So just tap next, and while that is that blue light is going, that's when the app can actually search it. Waiting. On. Taking longer than I thought it would. Oh, try it again. App is having trouble. Okay, I'm gonna tap this one again.
Ready. Press to test. This is only a test. The alarm will sound. Cancelled.
Okay, let's try this again, guys.
Ready. Press to test.
Should play music while it's doing this. Okay, there you go. Now it finally found it. Finishing it up.
Connected.
That's it, guys. And if you have another one of these laying around, if you want to add it, then you can add it right now, or just tap next to finish. And then there are some options in here. So this is gonna be in the hallway. I'm gonna let the path light functionality turn on. So whenever I pass the hallway, then it's gonna at night, and then it's gonna turn on just a little light. Tap next. We're not gonna. Should I? Okay, let's do the sound check. Next. Actually, no. This is gonna be. I think it's gonna be annoying. Okay, done. That's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and I'm gonna wrap it up. So please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, and see you in the next one.